how to change your Yahoo password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your Yahoo password, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change your Yahoo account's password, first of all go to mail.yahoo.com and then make sure that you're signed in. So you can see I'm signed in to my Yahoo account. So to change my password, I just need to click on my profile icon from the top right and then go to the option called account info. And then once I come to account info, on the next specific page I'll be able to see all the personal information, where on the top left hand side again you have to select the option called account security. And once you select the option called account security, on the next page you will see this type of interface, and then here you'll find the option called password, and then you'll also find the button that is change password. So all you have to do is just click on the change password button. So basically it'll ask you to simply enter the new password that you want to use. Once you enter the new password that you actually want to use, in this case all you have to do is just click on the continue button from the bottom, and then your password will be successfully changed. This is simply how you can simply go ahead and then change your Yahoo password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.